Elizabeth, what is Barbara's biggest turn on?
Quoting Heartstopper.
Why is it picking my favorite shows? Come on.
Wow, wait.
The Office or Heartstopper?
Oh my gosh, alright.
Let's go.
Good job.
And that's the tea.
It's like the hey, what's up, guys?
What's up? Today's Sunday adventure. Port Kembla. Let's do it. Oh my god! Port Kembla. Darn guys. Port Kembla. Here we be. Started walking the wrong way. But you know what, on the bright side, guys, I overdid it and we didn't miss the bus or the train. So that's only gonna make sense if you've seen Set It Up. But I'll show you this big we have to walk up. And I'm not excited.
It is large and large.
Okay, look at her. She's a little big. She's a little big.
Little steep.
Little steep. It's okay, it's training for New Zealand. Yay for rocks! Halfway up this hill. We've almost done it. Actually, I reckon we're like 3/4.
We're half.
Right there. Oh, you're gonna sing the one and I'm gonna sing Big Time Rush, so never mind. Some lunch. Always with the waves. Alright, so we didn't win trivia, but we got 5th place! It's unconfirmed. Not the point of the vlog though. The point of this vlog is to say that Aaron and I won heads and tails 2 rounds in a row. I won the first round, Aaron won the second round, and there's only 4 people on our team. So statistically, that's like so improbable.
Like over 50 people in there.
Yeah, but we did it.
Woo!
What a win. What a win for the Aussie
It
Kings.
was beautiful.
So here we are at Ollynbobby boat ramp.
Yeah.
Oh! And Zainab just casually takes us here, and she's like, I go swimming here all the time. I'm not gonna go swimming because it's cold. But look at what's in this water. There's just stingrays, and Zainab didn't tell us, and they're massive. Like, what the? This is us right now. We have our lunch in an esky.
Your destination is on the right.
Yeah, I'm very well aware. People just live here.
People just live here. Work.
They just drive to work on the Seacliff freaking bridge.
You know, you just go for a jog.
Yeah, Zainab, show us how it's done. Show us how it's done. Wow! There's rocks! I love rocks! Like, what the? Ah!
I didn't realize it would stop the music if I took a video. Smile, Zainab.
It's okay, it's pretty. It's fine.
A little bumpy.
Oh, I like the purple. Is that Morning Glory? That's on Port Kembla. We researched how it's invading. But that is not. You're really cool, Zainab.
Oh, obviously. My intentions. Do you taste the peanut butter? Oh, I was talking about the hike, but Barbara also tried to poison me with peanut butter. You're welcome. I was like, how does she know?
They're gonna know.
They're gonna know. How would they know?
They're gonna know. Alright, here we are starting our hike. The goal is for me not. Why aren't we going that way? Oh, you're looking at the map. That's so smart.
Well, I wasn't going to, but now they mention it. Oh, wait, 6 kilometers return. It's only 3 each way. Wait!
Why is it saying it's gonna be 2.5 to 4 hours though?
It just depends on your physical ability, like if you're going to be faster or slower. So don't look at me like that.
Okay. Basically, the reason I started this video was to say that if I don't kill Zainab by the end of this hike,
Oh wait, no.
it'll be impressive.
It's pretty long. I don't know.
Well, we'll just go.
Let's just
Look
go
at
figure
it.
it
Look
out.
how cool it is. Though.
Sorry. I'm on a mission. A rock! What the heck? What the heck? The tide! Oh, that was sick!
It was huge.
Oh, good job finally catching up. That's what I'm saying. Zainab,
Yes.
how would you describe this track?
Delightful.
Elizabeth?
Scary. We almost died. Like both of us almost fell over, slipped. But you didn't. You got back.
Hey,
Oh my god, please save me. I don't want to walk back.
Elizabeth, where are your hiking boots?
America.
Weird.
Can we get our reflection in it?
And the big A.